Now I calculate the value of interest rate per year. Active cell reference G4. Click financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click rate function. This function has 6 arguments. In NPER argument, enter the value of total number of returns. Click cell reference H4. Press tab key. In PMT argument, enter the value of yearly return. Click cell reference L4. Press tab key. In PV argument, enter the value of initial investment. Click cell reference I4. Press tab key. In FV argument, type 0. If you leave blank this argument, in default 0 is entered. What is mean by 0 value? Because I will completely receive payments from the company in the 15 years. I will not receive payments after the 15 years. Company will not have return money after the 15 years. Completely return amount will be repaid in the 15 years. That is the reason future value is 0 after the 15 years. Press tab key. In type argument, type 0. Because I want to receive payments from the company at the end of each year. For the beginning of each year, 1 is entered in this box. In default, 0 is entered in this box. Scroll down. In guess argument, guess value is used. When the rate function is not able to calculate the interest rate value and it needs guess value to arrive at a solution, then value is entered in guess argument. In default, 0.1 is entered. That is equal to 10%. One more thing. Yearly return value is $30,000. If I type $15,000, formula result shows negative value. It means company cannot completely return investment amount $300,000 in the 15 years. Click cell reference L4. Click OK. I will receive $30,000 from to the company at this interest rate 5.56% per year.